Alright guys, welcome to the second video in this series. Previously we talked about the features and the dependency that will be needed for creating our WhatsApp status saver. Alright, so in this video I'm going to walk you guys through the wireframe of how the app is going to look. I think I told you guys that it's just going to have few pages, so I think I'll just have to let me minimize this. Alright, so I'll be using this to just sketch out the wireframe of how the app is going to look like. Alright, so I think for this bit, first thing, we're just going to have a simple page. So this one is just going to be like the splash screen. Alright, so just a few logo. We can just use Flutter logo for this. It's something you can actually change later. So after the splash screen, there will be no authentication, because we don't need it, but you can go ahead and add authentication if you want to take users' data when you want to publish it on Play Store or any store you want to. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to stick to simple pages. So this will be the splash screen. So once we get to the splash screen, it will take the users to the main page. So inside this main page, I'm just going to have a bottom nav here. All right, so the bottom nav is going to have two tabs. The first one is going to be image. So this image will represent WhatsApp status saver, the images of the statuses you view already, and this other one will represent the video. So they will have a different page, okay, for each of them. So you know how bottom nav works. So each of the pages is just going to be a grid view, two tile. It's just going to be a grid view of the same sizes, and so that's how it's going to be like. So we have each grid views representing the images or video depending on the tab that we are on. All right, so once you click on the image, it takes you to a new page. So this one is just going to be the image page. Okay, sorry, my writing here is very poor, but just know that this is image. And we also have a view. This one will be the image view once they tap on the image. So inside the image view, all these bits here is going to be the image view to just see all the images, okay? And then this side, I think we are going to make it slidable too, but let's see how that goes. And then we'll have three buttons. It's going to be a floating action button. So this first one is going to be to download the image. And remember, I said that for the features, we are going to view images and videos. We are going to download, share, and also convert the image to PDF, right? All right. So here now we're just going to have the download button for the images, and we also have the button to convert to PDF, and then we have another button which is for sharing the image to WhatsApp or any other social network we want to. And then the final screen, which is just going to be the last one for the video, is still going to be similar to this one, but it's going to have just the view, that is the video view, which is the video player view, and it's going to have just two floating action buttons. It's not going to have three like this one. So we are going to have a download button here. This is going to be for download, and a share button. Remember, we cannot convert video to PDF. I don't know if there's a way, but if for now, I don't think I know any way. So if there's any way, just put it down in the comment section below. I will look into it. So this is just a video player, and we'll be using Chewy to handle this, and video player plugin. All right, so this is the video view, and it's just going to have two buttons, download and share. Then for the image view, it's going to have download, convert, and share. Convert or print or whatever. So that's how it's going to be. So we just have only 4 pages. So as you can see, this is actually the wireframe of how the application is going to look like, and it's not a big one. I think more of the difficult parts is more like the logic, which we are going to handle. But that's everything you guys need to know. So in the next video, I'm going to start implementing the user interface. So I'm going to implement all the user interfaces. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the various dependencies that will be needed, all right, in the next video. Then after that, we are going to implement the UI, which is the user interface that is required every screen of this wireframe. Okay, we're going to have all these bits, and we can use any color, but for this, I'll just stick with the primary color from Flutter, which is blue. We're going to work with that, and so see you guys in the next video.